Welcome back to hopefully a lot shorter video today and less complicated. When we bought parts for the throwout bearing, we bought this radio antenna delete because the radio in this thing is actually kind of terrible. The radio itself is fine, like the head unit seems fine. I was actually gonna maybe put it in the truck, but the speakers in it are really terrible. So I've already taken the antenna off a long time ago, and now we've got this delete panel so we can remove the head unit and we can remove the whole antenna assembly, which isn't going to do much, but you know, weight savings is weight savings, right? Alright, step one is pry this panel off. And then undo these 4 screws. This whole thing pops off, and the bottom of the antenna is supposed to come loose from this part at the top somehow. Maybe it does it on a connector inside. Well, I can't get at it. So obviously I'm not going to use this anyway, so I'm just going to cut this. Next step is we got to get in the car and remove the head unit. Alright, here's the head unit. We got 4 screws on the outside. And we can pull the whole thing out. Oh, I guess the shifter's kind of in the way. We got all these wires in the back. We're just gonna undo this whole harness. I believe this big thick one is the antenna. Come on. Alright. Now the whole head unit can come out. This might actually be more weight savings than I thought. This thing weighs 5 pounds. Now we need to undo the glove box and probably empty all this junk out of it. That's like insurance and stuff. Probably shouldn't throw that away. Then we squeeze the sides. And the whole thing flops down, which gives us access to all these goodies back here. So, oh, that's fun. There should be big, thick antenna wire that goes through a grommet in the door. That's not it. Okay. Right. unless that would be the best. Nope. Yeah, this is a bit concerning. I think that means there's at least a couple of wires in here that have at one point been snipped and not put back to anything. Alright, where'd my telephone go? This wire down here, I believe, is the antenna wire. So I'm gonna try and give that a little tug and see if I can get it to come out one way. Oh, well, that was easy. Okay, so now there's a grommet in the door jamb, which you cannot see, but it's at the end here somewhere. And we're gonna try and, I guess, pull it from the inside. Yeah, that's good and stuck, isn't it? Okay, now I'm gonna give this a yank. See if I can get that cable to come through. There we go. Oh, I see. There's a metal grommet on the end of there, which is probably what was catching it up. That's okay. We've now removed the antenna from the car and the head unit. Now I guess I gotta do something about this mess. For now, I'm just gonna stuff these back in here. And eventually I think I should make a plastic panel or something to just screw over that. So it's just like a blank panel. We'll put this back up by squeezing its ends, giving that a close. Now the only thing left to do is to put this little panel on to cover this big nasty hole. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give this a quick wipe down real first. Alright, now we just get this sucker out of here. Peel Mr. Tape off. And this thing should shove right down here. And the double-sided tape will hold it in place. And then you can see this thing was resprayed at some point and it didn't take the antenna out. So I got a nice white line around it now. So that's exciting. Oh well. Alright, I want to do one more quick mod before this weekend. I mean, it doesn't have to be before this weekend, I guess, but it's easy to do. And that's underneath the hood is a like fire shield, but it's so old and decrepit that it just sort of puts dust on everything. So we're going to pop the hood and see if we can pop that off. So these little plastic clips are what hold this on. So hopefully I can just get some pliers and pull these off. Actually, looks like I may not need the pliers. I may be able to just pull these off. Oof. Well, I'm going to put you on the tripod and see if I can just yank these things off, I guess. Alright, safety first, kids. for the record, I'm aiming for the garbage can, which is right behind the camera. I'm not just throwing them willy-nilly. They might be landing willy-nilly, but I'm not throwing them willy-nilly. Well, the state of the hood would imply that this car used to be black. So that's interesting. That or maybe the primer for the hood is black and they never bothered painting it because from the factory it's got that heat shield under it. But getting rid of it should do two things. Lose like an ounce of weight because it wasn't very heavy, and better heat dissipation at the expense of a hood, which it's a race car, so I'd rather have better heat dissipation anyway, right? So that's two hopefully pretty quick mods to the race car, and I hope you have a very nice day.